I'll go here to invite another member. Now, of course, these are just for testing because they will be actually, I can actually add him here, James. All right. Okay, so you can make sure they're subscribed. So we have here, they'll just have to, this invitation is pending. So they'll just have to receive the invitation, they'll have to click on the invitation on their email and just sign in on money.com, create their, and they'll be able to actually edit this. You can resend, you can search another one. So I'll search here for, I don't know, I'm just typing some random stuff just for the demonstration. Invite the member by email, invite as a member. Now we have another one here, and I can click over here if you want to remove as to remove, but you can make as owner. So of course they will have more privilege, more thing. Now I can assign a different person here. I can remove myself from here, and then James is the one that will take care of the open orders. And here you can